Well, I think that's why I have a tendency not to believe you po. Kasi kung talagang hindi ikaw yan, I think you would have said that's not you. But instead, you invoked your right to self-incrimination. And why do I not believe that? I can identify two of the people behind you. Magkabatch po tayo, Miss Guo. I know what year this was taken. And they have a description of you. Mr. Chair, may I direct my question to Miss Alice Guo? You mentioned po you lived in Tarlac for most of your life po. Tama po ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So from age 0 to, you claim to be 38 po, no, Miss Guo? From 0 to 38, talagang residence po ninyo is Tarlac.
Yes po.
Have you at any point in time found yourself in Binondo?
Binondo, never naman po ako tumira sa Binondo.
Never tumira. But you visited Binondo po ba?
Yes po.
For what purpose po kaya yan?
Minsan mamasyal, minsan may bibilhin. Opo.
Okay. So from there, would you have an idea of the circumstances surrounding the meeting of Miss Ong and your brother, si Wesley?
Sorry po, one more time po.
May idea po kayo kung paano nakilala si Wesley, si Miss Ong?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Tapos, so sariling lakad niya po yun, yung sa Binondo, and then they met.
Yes po.
Okay. I direct my questions again to Miss Ong. So you say you're in a relationship with Wesley. Ano po yung birthday ni Wesley Guo?
February 23.
Feb 23?
Yes po.
That would peg him, what year po?
1990. Wait, bilangin ko lang po.
Mr. Chair, do we have anyone who can confirm the date? Because my data says otherwise.
I think
Perhaps, Mr. Chair, I can ask the Bureau of Immigration. They might have the documents po, no? Mr. Chair, directing my question to the Bureau of Immigration, anong birthday po ni Mr. Wesley Guo based on his Philippine passport?
Mr. Chair, good evening. Unfortunately, we don't have it, but I undertake to give it before the end of the session, sir.
Okay. Please, can we confirm? Because as far as I understand, I've seen the picture of the passport and it said February 1. And it would be very curious po na Miss Ong wouldn't know the birthday of her boyfriend for 4 years na po. Tama po. But we'll confirm it later po naman, no? We don't have the data. Would you know po kung anong schools pinuntahan ni Wesley Guo? Boyfriend mo po of 4 years, hindi mo po alam kung anong schools pinuntahan niya?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Isn't that curious? Di ka man lang na-curious kung saan po siya pumunta for schooling?
Hindi po.
So ano yung mga... What aspects of his life do you know about? Alam mo po ba kung ano yung hobbies niya?
Maglaro po.
Maglaro
Yung hobby ng gamdam.
ng gam-gam.
Parang robot.
Robot.
Yun lang po.
And the nature of his work, are you familiar po?
No po.
Hindi rin. So as supposedly a couple from 2020 or 2021, hindi mo po alam yung school niya, hindi mo po alam yung interest niya, and I'm pretty sure hindi mo alam yung birthday niya. So that's what I'm trying to point out here, Mr. Chair. I do not believe in the story that Miss Guo and Miss Ong know each other through the brother. In fact, I believe the matrix more in which what binds them is their work relation through Mr. Duan Renwu and Mr. Xiang Ji. And in fact, I would, if there's anything that I would change to the matrix, I would say that dapat si Duan Renwu and si Xiang Ji should be in the middle between the two because he is the link that binds. Because, Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask again, between the two, between Baofu, which I think, Ms. Guo, ano po yung relation po natin sa Baofu?
Your Honor, after po ako nag-divest, wala na po kami relationship.
Oh, but prior po, you were an incorporator.
Prior po, Baofu, landowner.
Okay, landowner po tayo. So Baofu, may link po tayo kay Ms. Guo. Kay Ms. Ong naman, Italy, incorporator ng LS99 through Mr. Duan Renwu. So we see, ito na po yung sinasabi ng matrix na parallel operation. We have here two owners of yung supposedly yung land-owning corporation, which will eventually lend to the POGO, of which they are still actually a part of. Yung si Mr. Duan Wenru, if I remember, is ninong po ni Ms. Ong. Is that correct, Ms. Ong?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And admittedly, si Mr. Duan Wenru, kilala rin po ni Ms. Guo. Is that correct, Ms. Guo?
Your Honor, nakilala ko po siya through Cassie Lee.
Through Cassie, allegedly. You met Cassie through the boyfriend na hindi niya nga mabanggit kung anong school or anong birthday. But admittedly, you know si Mr. Duan Wenru, who you were seen together abroad when you escaped the Philippines. Is that correct, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, na-met ko po siya nung sinama po ni Cassie sa amin.
Oh, pero kasama po ninyo abroad. Indonesia po ba yan or Malaysia?
Hindi po kasama. Na-met ko lang po siya dahil sinama po ni
Doon,
Cassie.
dahil doon. And Mr. Duan Wenru and Mr. Jiang Chen naman, paano mo po kilala, Ms. Guo? Siya po yung nag-arrange ng hotel nyo, di ba?
Your Honor, hindi ko po kilala si Jiang Jie.
Hindi nyo po kilala. Pero in-arrange lang po yung hotel nyo.
Hindi po siya nag-arrange ng hotel namin. Hindi ko po siya kilala.
Hindi nyo po kilala. Okay, we'll come back to that. So si Mr. Duan Wenru and si Xiang Che, na president of LS99, dito po natin nakikita in parallel po yung nangyayari sa kanila. And why I find it hard to believe, for example, yung kwento ni Ms. Ong na kilala niya si Ms. Guo through the boyfriend, di naman lang masubstantiate. And kay Ms. Guo naman, although this might be hearsay for the committee, pero ako po personally, I hope you understand, di po ako naniniwala sa story na kayo po ay sa Tarlac from 0 to 38. Actually, Mr. Chair, can we ask the committee if na-ready po yung photo? It was already shown before, pero yung class photo po ni Ms. Guo.
Secretariat.
Ms. Guo, while waiting for that po, you say you were born in 1986. Tama po ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
That puts you at, how old are you now po?
38.
38. And at the time, naalala niyo po yung picture po no, na na-present last time. But you claim na di niyo po yun...
Ano pong picture,
invoked
Your
your
Honor?
right. Yung picture, class picture niyo po.
I invoke my right.
You
Opo.
invoked your right. Pwede mo naman sabihin na hindi ikaw yun, di ba?
Your Honor, I hope you understand, sa sobrang dami na pong kaso na nasampahan po ngayon sa court, kaya anything po na isasagot ko po dito sa inyo might use against me po.
Opo. Well, I think that's why I have a tendency not to believe you po. Kasi kung talagang hindi ikaw yan, I think you would have said that's not you. But instead, you invoked your right to self-incrimination. And why do I not believe that? I can identify two of the people behind you. Magkabatch po tayo, Ms. Guo. I know what year this was taken. And they have a description of you. Nung pumasok ka po sa Grace, napaka-thick po ng accent ninyo, Mandarin lang ang kaya niyong salita. But you were very friendly and you were very makulit. And that's why they had a hard time to forget you, even though hanggang grade 3 ka lang daw po doon. Now I know, like I said, that's hearsay as far as the committee is concerned kasi hindi naman nandito yung may personal knowledge doon. But when I was talking to them with personal knowledge, na-convinced naman po ako. And they've identified you. In fact, if you were 38 and this picture was 2001, you would have been 13, 14 po ba? Kasing age mo naman yung mga 19, these people were born 91, 92. Ka-size mo naman po, I don't think you're that much older than them. And that's why I really don't buy that story that you were born in 1986. And I don't buy the story that this is not you. In fact, they called you Ping. Ping po yung nickname nyo dito. But anyway, that's just to prove the point po, no? But what does that say about the testimony here before us? Thank you, Comsec, for the picture. We have a Latin maxim po, no? Falsis in uno, falsus in omnibus. When you're false in one thing, it's false in everything. So this puts into light every statement that you have made. Of course, aside from the statements made regarding the right against self-incrimination. But if we're talking po about everything she said, that she was in Tarlac for 30 years, that all of her life, or the fact po that she was not the person in the Bamban resolution, this is going to be your testimony versus documentary evidence. Yung Bamban resolution 185 series of 2020, citing you as the applicant for Hongsheng Gaming, ano po yung sagot mo doon? You said you have no recollection at all kung paano nasama yung pangalan po ninyo. Tama po ba yan, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, all related Hongsheng, Baofu, I invoke my right against self-incrimination po.
Okay. And just proves it even more. If you can't relate to us how you're related to the resto, then I guess the document stands po na may kinalaman po kayo sa Hongsheng. Another thing po, you claim na walang Filipinos involved sa escape. How do we know that we can take that for granted? Kasi, yun nga, as far as we're concerned, false in one, false in all. And then, of course, the allegations that 3.2 billion was transferred to Hongsheng through the partners mentioned earlier. And it's parallel also because I remember, if I'm not mistaken, Chair Dan Fernandez mentioned there was also a similar transfer going on between Mr. Duan Renwu and Miss Cassandra Ong. So we see nga po na talagang I think may basis yung matrix, talagang parallel yung operations. And I think that's as much as we can get from them. Baofu and Hongsheng versus Lucky South 99 and Whirlwind are two sides of the same coin. They're parallel operations held by a consistent set of characters. And now that the Quadcom is digging deeper, we're now moving up the ladder. Unfortunately, I don't think we'll be able to get anything more from Ms. Ong and Ms. Guo, given that they have cases and they have repeatedly cited their right. They've repeatedly invoked the right against self-incrimination. So I think we have no choice but to move on with the matrix. So with that, Mr. Chair, I'd be asking my questions to Mr. Yang. Mr. Yang, magandang gabi po. Mr. Yang, kayo po ay nakakapagsalita ng Tagalog, English?
Kunti.
Konti.
Kunti, marunong.
Konti marunong. Pero conversational, halimbawa pag may mga events po kayo, nakakapag, you can have a conversation, pwede po kayong makipag-usap sa mga tao. Pag may dinner, mga ganon. Di pa
I
talaga.
think it's better you using English. Yeah, it's better.
Better using
Yeah,
English.
yeah,
Okay.
better.
Mr. Yang, good evening. So you can speak English. Are you able to have a casual conversation in English?
No, actually, I am the interpreters. Mr.
You're the
Yang.
interpreter
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
yeah.
But
Maybe
my
it's
question stands. Is he able to have a casual conversation in English, Mr. Chair?
就是你说的东西，就是可以回答用英文回答吗？
我不会不懂的。
No casual conversation. Mr. Chair, can we, through the Secretariat, can we have my next 3 photos, please?
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair. Point of inquiry lang, Mr. Chair. Would it be possible to ask the translator to speak into the mic when he tries to translate to Mr. Yang so that we can also hear?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The first photo, please. Yung una. Is that the first? Okay. Mr. Yang, through the Honorable Chairman, is that you in the picture?
就是他问你在图片里面那个是不是你？是不是啊？对。Yeah, is he?
It is. Do you recall Do you recall what event was transpiring here?
就是他问你在这里是举行了什么活动，还是就干嘛的？
当时那个三家钢铁厂给 BBD 里面签那个租那个地，租地的
OK
钱。
Okay. I think it's during some rentals for the place. Yep.
I'm sorry again, Mr. Chair.
开挖机 BBD
Is for rentals for the DPTs. The ones using DPTs.
开挖机吧，开发机，经济开挖机。
经济开发机。
经济开发机。
Mr. Chairman, point of clarification lang, Mr. Chairman.
With the indulgence of Congressman Gutierrez.
Yeah, with the indulgence of Congressman Raj. I believe the translator is the son of Michael Yang. Are you the son of Michael? Oh,
No.
Tony Yang?
No.
You're not
Actually,
the son.
no. I come from Pao.
What is your? You're from PAO.
Yeah.
So you're the translator of the PAO, not of Tony Yang.
Yeah,
Sige, you can proceed. Thank you so much.
Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Chair Dan. Can we proceed? So can we have a clarification? What was the event?
Okay. Which one? This one?
Yeah, that event.
Okay. Actually, I think how do we process? Like, maybe he will rent us the place, and then for
He was
Yeah,
renting a
size,
place.
yeah.
So is it right to say this was a signing of a memorandum of agreement?
Yep.
How can
that's
we
right.
ask him? Is this the signing of a memorandum of agreement with Fividec?
对，就
Yeah.
租
That's right.
租地，
He's rented the, I think it's the hectares, the place of hectares.
Please. Mr. Chair, can we ask Mr. Yang to point kung sino po dyan yung translator niya?
说什么？
Can Mr. Yang point to us who in that picture is his translator?
In that particular event.
放的照片这边没翻译，
Don't have any translator inside.
翻译
No translator, Mr. Chair. So how would you converse with these people who you're having a deal with?
有翻译的跟我去，但是
不在照片里面。
他不在照片。
I think he have a translator, but the translator is not in the pictures.
Not in the picture. Okay. Mr. Chair, can we have the next photo, please? Mr. Chair, we have here a picture of a private meeting of Mr. Yang and the ex-PNP chief. Can you point to us, Mr. Yang, of sino po dito, who here is your translator?
OK，他就是问你，在这里面哪一个是你的翻译
这里面也没有我的翻译。
？Yeah, it's not inside the pictures. Don't have any.
But you have a
translator.
translator
Yeah,
in that
don't have-
meeting?
yeah.
No, but does he have a translator during the
He
meeting?
have a translator, but the translator is not in the pictures.
Not in the picture.
Yeah.
Okay. Next picture, please. I believe this is an event in CDO. Mr. Yang, do you recall this event?
就是这个的话，你是参加什么活动还是什么的？还是
这张应该是那个，我也忘记了，应该是在夹街参那个活动，我们那个会，我们商会里面我一起去。
OK。
对
But I think it's already long time ago, and then he's not remember well, and then yeah, it's okay.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, to refresh yourself, this is, I don't know how you could forget this. This is a dinner with the president in CDO. Can you point, Mr. Yang, who is your translator in this photo?
OK，就是他想让你指一下哪一个是你的翻译。
Mr. Chair, this is not a post photo. There was no opportunity siguro for the translator to be told to step aside. You could be seen you're having dinner. This is very conversational. Surely your translator must be here, Mr. Yang.
没有看到翻译。
Yeah, I didn't see the translator
No
too.
translator. I have difficulty believing after how many years in the Philippines that you are unable to carry a conversation. As the pictures have provided, I believe that you, Mr. Yang, are able to speak Tagalog, Bisaya, or English, one of those languages in which you could talk with all of these people you're having meetings with.
OK，就是他意思是说你在这里生存了差不多20几年嘛，然后就是说你肯定懂一些大家乐语或者是英文之类的，不然的话你要在这里怎么生存，怎么去跟他们沟通？
就是那个一般的，就是口头语这个
好
听会听，
OK
有些说就是说不准。
Okay, I
Why-
think he explained it. He can just listen some Tagalog, but just konti lang, and then maybe if he want to speak, just konti lang. Yeah. But for hearings, it's okay for that. Yeah, maybe he will understand it.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We have no way to prove that na lang po, no? So we'll just take what he said for granted, but I just want it on the record that these photos show no translators on. Before I proceed with my questions of Mr. Yang, I'd just like to inform Ms. Ong that your boyfriend's birthday is February 7. You might want to remember your boyfriend of 4 years, yung birthday niya, Feb 7. Malapit po sa Valentine's. So, Mr. Chair, proceeding back again with Mr. Yang. So, inaamin nyo, you admit that you are a Chinese citizen hailing from the Fujian province.
哦，他问你是中国籍的，是福建，你的家乡在福建是吧？
是是
And you, Mr. Yang, you are brothers with Yang Hongming, also known as Michael Yang.
就是你是杨洪明的哥哥和麦克样的哥哥是吧？兄弟。
是。
And you are also brothers with Yang Hongjiang. Is that correct?
就是杨洪江也是你的兄弟是吗
对。
？Yes, right.
Mr. Chair, can Mr. Yang tell us where his brothers are now?
就是他问你，就是说问你的兄弟都在哪里？现在目前是在哪里？
我上就是听他们说，杨洪明说是在泰国，他有一天就是我跟杨洪明都没有联系，有一天他有打电话过来问我这边问我，就是打电话过来吧。我问他在哪里，他说他在泰国。
在泰国是吧？
哦，在泰国，好像是在泰国。
Okay, maybe in Thailand, and then when some days the brother is calling him and then ask for, maybe for how is good or anything, and then he say it's in Thailand that times.
So, Mr. Chair, you're still in close contact with your brothers. This is both Michael Yang and Hongjiang.
你还有跟他们保持很亲密的联系吗？
没有，我一直来菲律宾，我就跟杨洪明都跟杨洪明没什么联系。
Okay, actually when he in Philippines here, after in Philippines, and then I think the relations is not good, and then it's less for contacts. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Well, in that case, Mr. Chair, one more question on Michael Yang. You must be aware of the allegations that Michael Yang is related to Pharmaly Pharmaceutical Company. In fact, he was the financer. Are you aware of that, Mr. Yang, through the Honorable Chairman?
就是他问你知道，就是你们现在sorry, come again the questions. Oh, it's connected. Okay. 就是他问你现在麦克样还有继续跟你们家人保持联系，还是怎么样的吗？
这个我就不知道了，因为我很少跟他我们我来菲律宾嘛，我跟他关系都不太好，都一直没什么联系。
I think it's less for context and then don't have any idea for that.
No idea about Pharmaly, the big scandal a few years back.
Yeah, maybe not good for relationship. That's why don't have any idea for that.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, can we ask Mr. Yang, the relationship soured after he left the Philippines? What year would that be?
就是他问你什么时候 in Philippines? What year then?
When did their relationship shut down?
Oh, okay, in which year? 就是他问你就是在什么时候开始对就是跟你的兄弟的关系没那么好，就什么时候开始的？
应该在2003、
03或04年。
后就开始。
This around in the 2003 or 2004 the times.
Mr. Chair, sorry, to clarify, my question was, when did his brother leave the Philippines? And when was that the relationship soured? Because if I understand the testimony earlier, ang sabi niya po, what he said was that his relationship soured when the brother left the Philippines.
Okay, no, okay.
Sorry, so maybe you can ask Mr. Yang, when did Michael Yang leave the Philippines?
Oh, when the Michael Yang is in. 就是他问你 Michael Yang 是什么时候过来菲律宾的？
他比我早过来，但是我也不知道他什么时候过来。比我早有4-5年还是。
Okay, I think it's before then the brothers is in Philippines, but it's not remember well when Michael Yang is arriving in Philippines here.
Sorry, the question wasn't arrived, but maybe it's very difficult na. Just
Yeah, I think so.
还有翻译是吧？
Mr. Chair, if I may, I was the official translator of the House has arrived, Miss Caroline. So she's a Filipino Chinese. I guess the conversation, the interpretation would be much better.
So she's the new interpreter.
I was informed by the Secretariat, Mr. Chair, that she is the officially designated translator of the Quadcom for this purpose.
Okay.